Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by finding the proper support. Locate a ceiling stud or mark a point for a 1/2 toggle anchor. Measure twice, mark once, then select a hook rated above the lamp weight so it won't sag. Once done, drill a pilot hole with a 3/16 bit if you're using a wood screw, or install the toggle per instructions. Make sure to clear dust so the anchor seats correctly. This gets you immediate, secure anchoring to carry the light safely. Now you install the hook itself. Thread the hook into the mounted anchor and tighten until it's snug. Avoid over-torquing, which can strip the anchor. Use a closed loop or safety latch hook for pendant fixtures, and for string lights use small S-hooks plus a safety knot. Once in place, hang the fixture and give a measured downward pull to verify stability. If it shifts, loosen, reposition the anchor, or choose a larger toggle. This step finalizes the mechanical attachment for safe use. Finish by tidying wiring. Route the cord through clips and leave small slack so the cable isn't tensioned. If the hook slips or the fixture tilts, first remove it, inspect for stripped threads, and replace the anchor with a larger toggle or relocate to the nearest stud. Make sure you tighten properly next time. If you still see wobble, install a second anchor or use a small ceiling plate to distribute load. This corrects balance and prevents future loosening. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.